Suportado ng Kongreso ang paghahain ng protesta ng Pilipinas laban sa China kaugnay ng issue sa West Philippine Sea. Paliwanag na ilang mababatas dapat lang na pagpaliwanagin sa International Court ng China dahil sa pag-angkin nito sa teritoryo ng bansa. Samantala, naghain na rin ng resolusyon sa Kongreso si dating AFP Chief of Staff Rodolfo Biazon bilang suporta sa aksyon ng pamahalaan laban sa China. Naniniwala rin ang mababatas na hindi hahayaan ng maliitin ang mga kaalyado bansa nito, lalong-lalo na sa usapin ng teritoryo.
The department is doing what is right. Continue to file tirelessly the protest for any incursion of the Chinese or for any hostile actions committed by the Chinese. That's as far as we can go. I think that what Congress can do is to express its sense of support. The America is not only focused on the Philippines, but it's focused on the whole region. And that's the reason why I think it will be best for the Americans to raise this issue before the international body and before all the alliances that they have to make everybody conscious of what the Chinese is doing.